Hi everyone. So we go over test 5, section 3. Okay. Uh, I marked over here. The first number is section 3, number 4 here. This is number 4. Make big, that is better. Oh, that's blurry. That is a little better. Alright. So we have the equation over here. Okay, the equation has infinitely many solutions. That means too many solutions, right? The first one, maybe you can think this one. Left hand side number 2x plus 2b. Right hand side number ax plus c. Okay, I just expand this one. 2x plus 2b, ax plus b. Okay, the left hand side, right hand side, yes, is same expressions. Okay, they have infinite solutions. For example, if 5x plus 2 equals 5x plus 2. That's right. You can put in any value of x. They are always true. Because these two expressions are both same. Okay, same expressions. Okay, then they have infinite many solutions. You can use this property. So 2b equals same expression, a should be equal to 2 over here, right? Coefficient of x is what? 2. This one also 2. A is 2. Okay. And which of the following equals c? C should be equals what? 2b, right? Is it okay? So number A, let me see. A is 2, 2b equals C. So choice D over here, right? Only this one. Because this is nothing, C value is nothing to do with what value of A. Okay? That is C equals 2b. Or you can take right here, we have two equations over here, two graph over here. Maybe you can take y1 is 2x plus 2b graph, and y2 is another graph of ax plus bc. Right? Infinitely many solutions. The lines are coincident. Same line. Okay, same line. This is y1 equals y2, same line. That's why they're parallel. A should be equal to, and the y-intercept should be equal, right? Okay, so C equals 2b. Okay, that's the answer. I'm sorry. Oh, I forgot. Okay, sorry. I forgot this one many times. Okay, I'm going to explain one more time. Okay, when you expand this one, 2x plus 2b, right, to have infinite solutions, left hand side number, right hand side number, the expressions are equal, same expression. You can put in there any value of x. They are already true, right? So when your expressions are equals, infinite solutions. Okay, that's why we use value of a equals 2, right? A equals coefficient of x, coefficient of 2, constant should be equal to constant. Okay, this is the method 1. Second method, you can separate. This is one of the graph. y1 equals 2x plus 2b, y2 equals ax plus c. Okay, to have infinite solutions, these two lines are coincide. That's right, same line. That's why slope is equal, y-intercept is equal. Okay, slope is equal is a is 2, c equals 2b. Okay, that is number 4. The next one, move on number 9. This is number 9. This is 8, 9. Okay, when you take a look over here, that is not factorable because they all have over here, okay, radical numbers. Okay, So that is not factorable, you know that. So use quadratic formula, okay? Quadratic formula is negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4 times ac over 2a, okay? So b is negative 4. Negative 4 is about positive 4. You can write down this way. B is negative 4, C is 2, right? Substitute all these numbers into the equations. Okay, so that is 4 plus minus B squared is negative 4 squared is 16 times 4 times A is 1, C is 2. Over 2 times A is 1, right? Simplify this one. Inside is how much? 16 minus 8. That is 8. 8 is what? 2 red 2, right? You can divide it by 2 over there. So 4 divided by 2 plus 2 is out. Red 2. Okay? Okay, one of the solution is okay. 2 plus or minus red 2. Okay? That's the answer. Use a quadratic formula. Okay? That's the easiest way. You don't have to use a complete the square. Okay? Because quadratic formula is a shortcut. Okay? Use quadratic formula. Okay? That's number 9. The next number is 11. We are 11. Over here. F of n, estimate the number of pumps. Okay? Number of pumps in millions in the United States from 0 to 72. Okay? So beginning number when n equals 0 means 1940 year. Okay? And what is the best interpretation of the number 5.77? That is initial value when n equals 0. When n equals 0, f of 0 equals to 5.77, right? If this is 0, that is 1. So what is that? Number of pumps in the year 1940. Okay? So the answer is, where is it? Which one is the answer? There is number 10. We are doing number 11, I'm sorry. Okay, anyway, number 10, right? Number 10 is estimate number in 1940, okay? That's the initial value. That's not, okay. Number 11 over here. What is the y-coordinate of this point of intersections? We have a right first quadrant. X is a positive, y is a positive. This is the graph, this is the y equal x squares. 2x plus 3 is what graph of this one. We have 2x-intercept. But this is the quadrant 1, right? X is a positive, y equal positive, this one. You're going to find at this point. At this point, the value of y equal, x is equal at this point. So y equal, set this one equals, x squared equals 2x plus 3. Quadratic, the one side always 0, all right? Always one side is 0. You can factor this one. Because this is what section 3, it should be factorable, okay? So x equals 3 and x equals negative 1, right? This side will be negative 1, the other side is what? 3. Is it okay? But don't forget this one, y coordinate, not x coordinate. Okay, to find the y coordinate, put this number into the what? Either of this one. 3 squared is 9. 2 times 3 plus 9. Okay? When x equals 3. Okay? So 9 is the answer, okay? It's not x coordinate. That's a little bit tricky, right? The next number is 13. This is 14. Where is 13? Okay, this is 13. The equation p equals 14.7 plus 0.439. That is linear equations. I'm going to switch this one. Y equals 4.349x plus 114.7, right? A little switch their order. Okay, that is linear, right? What is this number? This number is slope, right? Actually, this is the p, this is d, right? So, what's the slope? Change in p over change in d. That's the slope. That is equals to 0.439. That's the definition of slope. Okay? But you are using this one, you're gonna find out. Okay, what is the increase in depth? Okay, what is the increase in depth? Depth is D, right? We're gonna find these numbers. Okay, when 1 pound increasing, okay, this is 1 pound. Delta P is 1 over here. Okay, put this number 1 there. You got this one. 1 over change in D equals 0.439, okay? What did they do? Switch. That's right. Switch. D is up, this is going down, right? 6 over 2 equals 3. Going down, going up. 6 over 3 equals 2. Always, okay? They can switch any times. Or you can use by cross multiplication, okay? Delta D times 0.439 equals 1. Delta D is how much? Divided by 4.39, okay? That's the same thing. This move down 1 over 0.439. That is a change in D, okay? Choice A is the answer. Use the formula here, okay? That is number 13. Number 14 there. Make underline of it. 4x. Is okay? What is that? 4x, 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 4x. 16x divided by 4 equals to 4x. That is 4x equals to 4. Okay, you don't have to find the value of x. Okay, just we already got 4x there. 4x is 4. Okay, that's the answer. Number 15. You have number 15 there. Okay, this is the end point. 2, 4. Okay, I'm going this one negative 2, left hand side. Okay, this one is negative 2, negative 4. This one is 2 and 4. Okay, where is the center? In the middle number. Okay, center. What is the midpoint formula, right? What is the midpoint? Negative 2 plus 2 divided by 2, that is x coordinate midpoint, and negative 4 plus 4 and divided by 2. Okay, so midpoint is 0 and 0. Okay, yeah, the center is 0 and 0. So where is R? This is R square, right? You understand? X minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. That is the standard equation of circle. But h equals h and k 0, 0, right? So you got this one. We still get it right. Square of r. Okay, r is the radius. Where is r? From here to here, the distance from to the left to the right, it doesn't matter. You can choose anything. That is r, right? Distance formula. R, okay, r is how much? Distance formula. x2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 square, and 4 minus 0 square. That's how much? 2 square is 4. 4 square is how much? 16. That is square root 20. But we need to find r square, right? R square is 20, isn't it? Now put this number there, 20. That's the answer, okay? Number 15 is D is the answer. We use the midpoint and distance formula. Okay? Midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Using this formula, distance formula is how much? x2 minus x1 squared and y2 minus y1 squared, okay? Use the formula. That is number 15. The next number is 16. Yeah, this is 16. The line K passes through this one and with parallel to this. Right, same slope, right? Still 5 over 2. Is okay? Still 5 over 2. This one passes through what? Negative 3.5 over here. But this one going to what? 3 and 1 over here. Same slope, right? But parallel still, slope is 5 over 2. Okay? Number 16 is still 5 over 2. Number 17 there. Okay, system of equations. So what is the value of x? That's right. To find x, we eliminate the variable y. substitution, because y expressed in terms of 2x already. This y equals 2x, right? At the intersect, this y is equal. So you can use substitution, okay? So 2x plus 3 times 2x, that is equals to 4, right? So that is 5, 6x, 8x equals 4, x equals 1/2. Is okay? That is the value of x. The next one, number 18. Where is 18? Down over here? Oops. Okay, here. All right, we have a single expressions. Put this number -1 over here. That is better. Okay, you can use a cross product, right? Cross multiplications. X minus 9 equals -1 times x, -1 times -8 is a positive 8. Plus x plus x. That is 2x plus 9 plus 9. That is 17, right? Okay, we're going to find the value of x. We can divide it by 2. X equals 17 over 2 or 8.5. Okay, both will be okay. Or you can multiply the common denominator. What is common denominator? X minus 8. LCD equals what? X minus 8. X minus 9. Okay? X minus both sides. Okay? We multiply this common denominator. This is 1 is out. We still have x minus 9 to the left. Minus. X minus is out. We still have x minus 8, right? Okay? You can solve it this way too. But cross product is okay. Number 20. This is what simplest form of complex number. Okay, this is the real part, imaginary part. Simplest part. Real and real, imaginary separate. Okay, so how can you find the real? You're gonna find the real over here. From these two products, how can you find the real? 15 times 6, that is real, right? 90. Where is another real? When you multiply these two, -4i times -3i, that gives you a real number, okay? 12i squared, it's okay? That is -12, isn't it? So 90 minus 12 equals 78. That is real, right? 78 is the answer. Or you can expand everything. 15 times, you can use the FOIL. 15 times 6 is 190. 15 times 3i is 45i. -3i, 4i plus 6, and -24i, and the plus 12i squared. That is equal to a plus bi. Okay, but this is I imaginary, but we're going to find the value of a real part. This one is -12, that is the real number, just to simplify, okay? This is two real part. 19 minus 12, 12 is what, 78, but you can find the imaginary part too, okay? 69, right, okay? This is the real part. This is the imaginary part, okay? That's right. That is number 20. Move on section 4. Number 4. Section 4, number 4. This is number 3. This is number 4. Okay, I need to read this one. Hardcover books produced by a publisher have pages are 0.1 milliliter, okay, thick, okay, inside the paper, but front cover and back cover each is about 2 centimeters. Okay, in the book there are only one front cover and back cover, right? 2 centimeters each. So total is how much? 2 times 2 is about 4. Okay, that is it. Okay, front and covered, back covered sack. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, and inside over here, there is a number of page. Each page is a 0.1, right? So add or 0.1 times number of page. Okay, choice age answer. Okay, that is for the what? Cover paper. This is the inside. That's the number of page. Okay, this is the rate, right? 0.1 milliliters thick. Okay, that is what have a page that are 0.millimeter thick, and the front cover this one 2 millimeter. Okay, that's fine. That is number 4. Now move on number 10. Okay, what is 10? Oops. This is 10. This is 10. Oh, this is 9. Oh, this is 10. It is 10. Looks like 11. Oh, this is 10. That's right. Okay, this is 10. That's true. All right, f of x equal to x plus 2 square and minus 1. What is this? A vertex form, right? This is the vertex form. Where is the vertex? Vertex looks like this one. 2x minus 2 square minus 1, right? This one. Except the minus. That is the vertex of x coordinate. Negative 2 and negative 1 is the vertex. Okay? But we gotta move this graph to the right. Okay? What happened to the right? Maybe you can do this one vertex. This vertex is a negative 2 and negative 1. Okay? We have a vertex over here. But this graph moved to the right by 3 units. 3 units, this is now 3 units is what? This is 1 over here, right? Vertex should be equals to what? It was before negative 1 and negative 2 and negative 1. Move to the right by 3 units. Negative 2 plus 3 is a positive 1, right? It's going to be a positive 1, but still y coordinate same as before. Okay? Move over here. It is okay? Or using this expressions, 3 unit right. 3 unit right, you can replace with what? X instead of x, replace with x minus 3, right? That is 3 unit right, isn't it? That is 3 unit right. So put this number there. Y equals fx minus 3. What is that? X over here, x minus 3. 2 x minus 3 plus 2 square and minus 1, right? Minus 3. So this is what is that? X minus 1 square minus 1, right? From here you can find the vertex form too. Where is the vertex? 1 and all together, right? This is except the negative, opposite, okay? 1 and negative 1. This one is 1 and negative 1. But this one is what? Graph is upside down, that is not working. This still negative side, okay? So choice B is that, okay? That is number 10, number 13. That is number 13. Oops, we need a graph, I think. Yeah, this is a graph. All right, under right conditions, giant sequoia. Okay, trees are the fastest growing conifer on Earth. It good growing condition. Giant sequoia tree will form 1 inches growth ring. Okay, over here, 1 inches growth ring each year, right? Increasing the size of the trunk diameter by inches, okay? Increasing the size of trunk diameter by 2 inches every year, okay? This relationship is represented in the graph below. A giant sequoia tree can also grow 4 feet vertically. Oh, but there are many. 4 feet vertically every 3 hours. That is the height, right? Grows height. This is diameter. Okay. But this is the age of a tree. This one is a little bit confused. They don't say any age. Okay, anyway, given by the okay, graph. Okay, this is the age of a tree. This is diameter. All right, age of a tree is increased diameter getting big. Yep, that's okay. Yeah, from this graph, we're gonna find the diameter on giant square tree. Okay, we're gonna find this one. Okay, the equation of this one, right? Diameter and age. Okay, diameter, age. Okay. So what is the y-intercept? This is 0. That's right. This is 10, 20, right? Y-intercept is 0. It can be -2, -2. Okay. What is the next slope? Slope is what is there? Every year, how much increase? Okay. So you can choose this point. That is intersection over here, right? 50 years, 100 diameter increase. Okay. Change in y is 100. Change in x is what years is 50 years. So slope is how much? 100 over 50 equals 2, right? Every year, okay, every 1 year, okay, diameter increased by 2, right? Yeah, that is D is the answer, okay? Slope is 2. Okay. The next one, number 14, 15, okay, 18. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Just give me 1 minute. Okay, number 18, in the system of equations above, k is a constant, and when the equations are graphed in the xy plane, the graphs intersect at each 2 point. Which of the following cannot be the value of x? Okay, they need a 2 point. Can you make a graph of here? That is easy way, I think. Y equals -k x plus 1. The other y equals what is the -x squared plus k. Okay. This one is a little hard. Okay. Maybe there's a 4 different value over here. You can use this value. Okay. When k equals 3, when k equals 3, what happened? Two graph is how much? Y equals -3x plus 1. The other one is y equals what? -x squared plus 3, right? From here, do they have rejected 2 point? Make a graph over here. X squared plus 3, this y-intercept is 3 over here, -x squared going down, right? So what is the y-intercept is 1 over here, y-intercept 1 over here. -3 is what? Anyway, they're going to have 2 intersections. Yeah, this one is actually to have 2 intersections. Okay? Now second one. Y equals k equals 3. Oh, no, k equals 2, right? Yeah, 2 over here. -2x plus 1, and the other one is -x squared plus 2. Check out the graph over here. This graph still 2 over here, upside down, okay, open downward. -2x plus 1, where is the y-intercept? In the middle of here, right? 1 and the -2x again. Anyway, they're going to have another 2 point over here. This is okay. What about the third one if there is 1? Put this number k equals 1 there. Y equals -x, right? K is 1, -x plus 1. The other one is y equals -x squared plus 1 over here, right? Okay, x squared plus 1, where is it? Y-intercept over here, the graph is this one. This is still y-intercept is 1, -x. Graph looks like -x, looks like this, okay? Yeah, they have 2 points anyway. It's okay. What about 0 over here? This is k equals 0, y equals 1. That's right. And k equals 0. Y equals what? -x squared, right? It's okay. Do they have any intersections? Y equals x squared. That's number 4. Y equal x squared is what? Graph is open downward, that is y equal x squared. Where is y equals 1? Up here, y equals 1. They never have intersection there. Alright? They cannot have intersection when k equals 0, okay? You can check it out. A lot of work, right? Anyway, we have to check. If not, we have to use what? Discriminant. Okay, check it out. Put the number, we assume that they are equal, okay? So negative x squared, I'm going to write down a little more space. Negative x squared plus k equals to k, negative kx, and plus 1. I'm going to move this one to the right, okay? X squared plus x squared, and this will move to the right to minus k, right? Minus k. And another, we have a negative kx there, and the plus 1 equals 0, okay? Using this one, I'm going to write the k squared first. X squared minus kx, and plus 1 minus k. Minus k plus, it doesn't matter, okay? That is 1 minus k. I'm going to use 1 minus k equals 0, okay? This is a is 1, b is a negative k, c is a constant, 1 minus k, right? Cannot have the value of k means what? They never have an intersection. The discriminant must be less than 0. It's okay if discriminant. What is discriminant? B squared minus 4 times AC is less than 0. There's no intersection. Imagine the number. Imagine root there. There's no intersection, but still this is quadratic. That means what? The root is the imaginary root. Okay? Anyway, there's no real root. You can use this one too. B squared is what? Negative k squared is a positive k squared. 4 times a is 1, c is what? 1 minus k. You can solve it this way. K squared minus 4, right? And plus 4k less than 0. Okay? What is this number? Can you back to this one? K minus 2 squared is less than 0, isn't it? Okay? Oh, we have to solve this one. Anyway, at this time, better plug in the number k equals 3, okay? Let me see. No, this is not work. This is, write down k squared plus 4k minus 4 less than 0. Oops, this is not factorable, right? Okay, we have to plug in number there. Okay. When you put this number 3, okay, check it out. When x equals k equals 3, 9 plus 4 times 3 is 12 minus 4. Alright, is this less than 0? It's not less than 0, right? Greater than 0, okay? Okay, I'm going to this one. This is a discriminant. Still greater than 0, there are 2 points. 2 put number there. 2 squared is 4, and plus 8 minus 4 still greater than 0, right? This is also 2 point. 1 there, 1 plus 4 minus k, still 1 greater than 0, right? Anyway, 2 point. Put this number 0, 0 over here. 0 plus minus 4, discriminant negative. That is less than 0, that's no, okay? But I think discriminant is not good idea. Okay? Use this one. Plug in this number until you find the answer, okay? But unfortunately, we have our answer in the very back behind there, okay? And that is number 18. Next, number 19 there. Oops, what is this? 100 people who played certain video games, 85 scored. Out of 100, 85 people, they scored more than 0 but less than so 10,000, okay? 85 people. They got the score 1, 85 score from 0 to 10,000. Okay? 14. I'm going to ask 14 squared, 14 people, they scored what? 10,000 to 100,000. And out of 100, we already 99, we got one number. One number, one guys. One guys is what? 15350. This guy's 5350 point. Okay. Okay, where is the median? Median is the middle number, right? Out of 100 people, approximately. Okay, exact number. First people and last people and divided by 2 equals what? 50.5 people. 50. Which one is 50.5? Between what? 50s and 51 people, right? Where is it? Lowest from, you can check it out. Okay, this is lowest one, right? To the top. 85 is already what? 50, right? More than. So 50 people belongs to over here, right? Median should be between these two numbers. Okay, median should be what? Between 0 and 10,000. That is median. Is it okay? So, this is a lot of work. Another one is the mean. Okay, we're gonna find the mean there. Okay, but that gives us a range, not exact numbers. Okay. Anyway, the minimum number is how much? 0 plus 10,000 plus. This is also a 1 people. Add this one. Okay. I'm going to calculate. But this is 5350535 10,05360. Okay, this one is 5360000. Okay, this is what? S1 plus S85 plus all together 100 people between these numbers. 10,000, 100,000. Okay, 10,000, 100,000. Total is how much? 00006 and 454, right? 5460000. Okay. So what does it mean? You can divide it by 100, right? The total number divided by 100 is gonna give us a mean. Okay, but we still have the range of mean, right? Divided by 2, 20 out, 20 out. That's the mean. Actually, how much? 5460. Okay, the other one is 536010. Okay, that's it. That's the mean. So we are talking about the median and mean, right? Take it out. Median is the maximum number is about 10,000. This 10,000, where is it? This is a 53, right? Thousand. Okay, much greater than mean. That's right. The maximum mean is about 10,000. But this is already 53. So minimum of a mean value is greater than median, right? Okay, mean is out of this one, 0 to 1,000. There's a mean. Median over there. Mean is what? Before this one. This is mean is what? 53,600, 54,600. Okay, the minimum. Anyway, any numbers always greater than median, right? So mean is greater than median. Choice A is the answer. Okay. Are you guys okay with this? Mean is what? Middle number. Okay. So middle number should be belongs to over here because 85 peoples. Okay. The next number is 20. Oops. 20. What percent of all scores reported in the 3 studies were 5290? Okay, 3 studies. In the 3 studies, okay. Whole thing is how much? 3 studies, 200, 300, 600. Okay. Out of this 100, how many people's 50 to 59? 50 to 59 only, all 3 numbers of it, okay. This is 74 and 162, right? It's correct. Let me check. 24 plus 50 plus 88, 162. That's right. This is how much percent, right? That's the answer. 162 divided by 600. Let me check. 162 divided by 600 is equals to 0.27, right? 27%. Is it okay? What percent of all 3 scores reported in 3 studies were what? 50. We don't care about what is that study 1, 2, 3, okay? All 3, okay? This is 162, total is 600, okay? So this is how much percent out of what? 600. So 27%, okay? Next, number 21 there. Which of the following could be median score in study 3? Only study 3 over here. Here, which one is the middle number? This middle up here, right? Which is the middle number? You can see there? Which of the following could be median? This is right. Okay, take a look. This is, you gotta be careful, okay? This is frequency, okay? Frequency, number of people. Okay, they're asking you about what? The score over here, right? Score range. That is which people in the median number, which are in the middle number have the score. That is median, isn't it? So we're gonna count over here. Study 3 is 100. Okay, 100 people. So who is in the middle? Use this formula, okay? First number, first person, the last person, and divided by 2. Approximately what is 150, okay? Actually 150.5. Okay, we count from highest or lowest one, okay? From here. 88 people there. The next number over here, 67. The total is this is already about 153, right? Okay? So 150 belongs to this frequency. So this is the range. Okay? This is the score range. So what is the median? Median is what? Between 60 and 69. Which number between 60 and 69? 68. Right? Over here. That is what median score range. Okay? So first one we have to find who is in the middle. Yeah, the middle guy must belong to over here. All these guys have a right score range 60 to 69. They're asking you to find the median score, not people, okay? Alright, that's asking you to find this one. Any possible numbers between 60 to 69, okay? This is not. Only this number is what belongs to over here, okay? 68 is the median score, okay? That is number 21. Number 22. The result of studies can approximate by generalized to all 10th grader in Milwaukee in spring 25. Generalized, what is it? Appropriate generalized was using this sample proportion and the data, okay, probability that represent what? We can apply all this result to the populations. Okay, that is generalized. But it should be what? The sample should be random, okay? If the sample is random, it doesn't represent, right, the data of populations. Is it okay? So study 1 over here. Okay, over here. 100 tests were selected random. That's right, random. This is okay. This is a generalized, okay? Study 1 is okay. Study 2, 200 selected random also, okay? The study 3 is what? 310 grade from means we get volunteer to participate. Volunteers is what? Not volunteered people have no chance what to be selected, okay? That's what this is what? Selection bias. So this would study 3, the data cannot represent, right, the data of populations, okay? So only study 1 and 2 generalize, okay? Study 1 and 2 only. 3 is not good. Because sample is not random, okay? The result of the sample, any result from sample cannot represent, right, the result of populations, okay? Because that is not a random sample. That is number 22. Number 25. Where is number 25? Where is it? Number 25. Oh, what does it mean? Okay. Yeah, this is number 25. Okay, line of best fit for the data is also shown there. Which of the following could be an equation line of best fit? Okay, we're gonna find the equation of this line. Because we already got one point over here. When x equal, you gotta make sure this is x equal 0, that is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is between 45 and 49, right? It's like 47, something like that. But this is not 47. This is around the 47. Okay, maybe 47.5, right? They use the same numbers. But the next one is it should be different slope. You're gonna check the slope, okay? Or you can choose any point. You can choose this point, put this number in the equation, or this point in the intersection, okay? When put this number, x is 1, y equals 49, okay? Okay, put this number 1 there. Which one is y equals 49? When x equals 1, y equals 49, isn't it? Take this one. Y equals 49. 3 over 2 when x is 1 plus 95 over 2. 98 over 2, that is equal to 49. That's true. Take this one. 2 over 3, 1 plus 9 over 42. That is not equal to 49, right? It is okay? That is a 0.6. That is what? 47.5. 0.6 is what? 48.1. Okay? That is not 49. It is okay? We need to eject the 49 number. Only B gives us the 49. Or you can use, okay, slope. Because we have two intersections over here. This is how much? 49, 55. 55 minus 49, how much? Change in y is how much? 55 minus 49 is 6. That's right. What about this one? 5 minus 1 is 4, isn't it? What's the slope? Change in x, change in y over change in x. That's the slope, right? Slope is how much? Divided by 2, 3 over 2, isn't it? You can find this way too. Or plug in some 1 point. Okay? I like this method. That is the number 25. And the number 26. Alright. How many distinct x-intercept? That is already factored upon. Where is x-intercept? X equal h, x equal negative h, and x equal k somewhere over here, negative k. By this time, multiplicity is 2. Okay, multiple 2 means what? Actually, there are two roots, but they are equals. Okay, the graph looks like this way. It is okay? That the multiple 2 is always bounced or tangent or touch. We can say tangent or touch and the bounced. Or at a single one, okay? They are always a pass, cross, okay? You can use a pass or a cross. How many distinct? We don't count it twice, okay? Distinct, 1, 2, 3, isn't it? That's a distinct number of x-intercept, okay? That is number 27, 26, okay? Number 28, move on number 28, has no solutions. Just before we did write infinite solution, right? No solution means what? A little different, okay? If we have this one, 5x plus 3 equals 5x plus 10. They are equals, but constant different. Cancel out. 3 cannot be 10, right? There is no solutions for any variable that cross out. You can use this one too. Negative 3ax minus a and plus x equals 7x minus 2. And if to be cancelled out, okay? To be cancelled out, what is the value b? What is the value of a there? Do this way, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna set up the equation, okay? Formula. Infinitely many solutions, both sides of expression for the what? Infinite solutions. Always the left hand side, the right hand side, same expression, okay? That's it. The next one is no solutions. No solution, just solve for x. So you're gonna find the undefined, okay? If x equals 5 over 0, that is no solution, right? That is undefined, okay? Denominator 0, use this one. Okay, solve for x first. Negative 3ax minus a n plus x minus 7x minus 2. Is it okay? So x move to the left, right. Oh, okay. This is a minus x, okay? That is 6x. Now this is plus 3ax, okay? And this is a plus 2 and plus 2, right? So right hand side, we have common x is y, x is a move out, 6 plus 3a. Is okay? Right hand side is what? 2 minus a or a minus a plus 2. Okay, that's the equations, okay? Express x. X equals how much? Minus a plus 2 over 6 plus 3a, right? No solution means what? Undefined. If denominator 0, that's no solutions. Okay, so 6 plus 3a equals 0. A equals what? Negative 2, isn't it? That's the answer, okay? Use this one. Infinite solution, both sides expression must be equal. No solution is what? Find undefined the value of x. Okay? When you express what the solutions x in terms of other one, just find out undefined. Denominator 0, that is undefined, okay? That is number 28. Number 35. $33, $34, $35. Okay, line TW are parallel in the XY plane. The equation T equals line T 4x plus 7y equals 14. Line W pass through what? 3 and 8. Okay, what is the y-intercept of y? W, yeah, y-intercept. They are parallel. What is the slope? 7y equals negative 4x plus 14, right? When you divide by 7, that's the slope. It's okay? Yeah, also this is the slope over here. That's right, same parallel. So you can set up the equations. Y equals negative 4 over 7x plus b. Okay, how can you find y-intercept? That's when you find the y-intercept. Yeah, this graph passes through this point. Put this number into the x and y, that must be true, right? When x equals negative 3, y is 8. Y is 8. When x equals negative 3 plus b. It should be equal, right? Because what? This point on this line. Okay, now find the b. B equals how much? This is 12 over 7, right? So 8 minus 12 over 7, isn't it? That is okay? So that is a 56 over 7 minus 12 over 7. That is the value of b. B equals how much? 44 over 7, right? That's the answer. The last number is 37. Okay, Andres recommended daily intake of potassium is 50% greater than of 2-year-old brother. Where is the 2-year-old brother? Here. Is it okay? What is the least possible age? 2-year-old brother is 50% more. 2-year brother 30,000, 50% more is how much? 30,000 times 1.5, right? 1 plus 0.5 is 50% more, which is what? 45. Okay, but they're asking you to find the least possible age. Where is 45 potassium milligram? Over here. Okay, what's the minimum value? 9 years. Okay, 9 to 13 years, they need a potassium of 4,500. Okay, so from the equations, we can brother, right? Okay, the brother will be 9-year-old. Okay, that's the answer. That is number 37. Okay, I'm sorry, I am going very fast, right? Okay, but you joined by the English review. Okay, at 7 o'clock. Use a different link. Okay, so if you have a little more explanation about these questions, okay, this test, you let me know. Okay, yeah, I can help you. All right. Thank you so much. Go to review English review session. Okay. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. You're welcome. Bye.